Hello, third graders. Today in writing, I am wanting to get some information from you. Let's talk about your writing journal, the one that you decorated. If you remember me saying, I told you that I'm going to teach you how to use that same slide, which is your reusable journal in a virtual way. So let me show you how to go look for that. When you go into it, you won't need to do anything else because it'll already be saved into that particular folder. And all I have to do is go back and check your work, okay? So when you see this video today, you're going to go into your journal and do the slides you're supposed to do. You don't even have to click turn in. Miss Collier knows it'll upload by itself. So let's get started with the model. Are we ready? All right, let's get started. So let me share my screen. Wonderful. So this is your Google Classroom. Now remember, you're looking at the teacher's view, but this is still the same view you have on this page. If you go over here, I like to call this a waffle. Looks like a small waffle. When you click that waffle, do you see this where it says drive? It's like a triangle with a green, blue, and yellow. The drive is where all the things that Miss Collier have even, uploaded for you. So I'm going to hit drive. And so I can show, you can see mine's right away right there. Yours may come up right away. Yay! But if it doesn't, I want you to go into the search bar and type in the word journal. If you type in journal, you're going to see it come up. And when it comes up, you're going to be able to click. So mine's came up like this. So there's my journal. So guys, remember, this is your working journal. You're going to be working in the same journal. So whenever I upload new slides for you to go back and work in, that's what your assignment's going to be. So now you have your cover page, you have your decoration page, and here's your assignment today on slide 3. You're going to be doing a heart map assignment for me today. Now, let me show you. You still want to go use the text box to type in. Okay? Without the text box, you're not going to be able to type in there. Please don't type down here in the bottom, and please don't type over here on the side. I need you to use your text box and type in there. It says, places I've been or wanted to go. I want you to list all the places you've been and wanted to go in your text box, okay? In this particular square. Then you have people that inspire me. Inspire means that you have seen someone do something very positive, or you've seen people, someone's personality, and it makes you say, oh, wow, I want to be like that, or I want to accomplish the same things. You want to list those people, okay? Here is things I like to do. So you want to make sure that you're in there and you're doing, and you're typing in those things you like to do. And then here, things I want to learn how to do. Now, I want to tell you the difference. The things that I like to do and the things that I want to learn how to do are totally different. So let's slow down, okay, with our thinking. Things that I want to learn how to do are things that, you may have seen someone, do some artwork, or I love sports. So you may, you've seen someone do like a cross between the legs, a crossover. You may want to learn how to do that. Football. You want to be able to throw long passes. Maybe your passes are short right now. Things that you want to learn how to do, I want you to list it in that box. So your assignment again today is here in your journal in slide 3. Remember, you don't have to share. Do not hit the share button. All you have to do once you finish is click that X box like this to take you out, and you will be completed, because once you are completed, Miss Collier is going to see your work because it's already set and ready. I know you're ready to go in there and tell me a little bit about yourself. This is what I like writing about. Writing tells us about each other. We learn about each other. Writing helps you to express. And so we do have virtual journals. And for those of you that's on your way back, when you get here on next Tuesday, you're going to have another type of journal to write in, okay? So please rewind the video as many times as you need so that you won't make any mistakes on your journal today. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing your work.